Hey everybody, Nahar94 here. Just got my Lunatic and TikTok iPod Nano watch. Oh, and it's a limited edition red one. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and then I'll do some review videos later on. So here it is. I'm guessing there's a number if you can see that. Let's see. Well, anyways, the little red number, it's 1024. I'm guessing that's the number engraved on the back. If you guys don't know this already, this I bought the Kickstarter edition. If you don't know what Kickstarter is, just Google Kickstarter.com and you'll find out. And I backed Scott Wilson's project, and he made this wristband, and I thought it was pretty awesome, so I decided to get one. Then I got a red iPod Nano to match. So here we're doing an unboxing. Just put that outside for now. Do the Lunatic first. So in the box you get this. Hello, thank you for supporting our project. We are excited to have you as a customer and look forward to hearing from your feedback. If you love the product, please tell your friends. If you have any problems, please contact us. And that's Scott Wilson. He's the guy who did it. Here's a little instructions on how to use it, because this one is a pretty permanent. I mean, it's not permanent, but it's more permanent than the TikTok. This is more for people who are planning. How do you get this out? People who are. How do you? People who are planning on keeping it inside more than the TikTok, because the TikTok is a quick snap in, snap out. This you need Allen wrenches to put in. So this is more of a conversion kit than it is anything else. So here we go with this off. Oh, here we go. It says tick in a box. Step 1: take your tick out of the box. Snap in the Nano. Show your friends your tick. So 3 steps, and here it is. Nice looking packaging, very professional. Has that Apple feel to it, if you know what I mean. And here it is, fake iPod included. It is rubber strap. It's very nice rubber. It's good stuff. Then you got a little clip right here, and you got the wrist strap holder. So if your wrist is bigger, you can attach it, or if your wrist is smaller, attach it, that way it doesn't fly around. So it's pretty cool. Oh, and then here on the back it says Kickstarter backer limited edition. I don't know if it shows up. Yep, right there. 1024 of 1500, and it's designed by Scott Wilson. Pretty cool stuff. Okay. Use the provided Allen wrenches. It's taped on the back. Just get these out of here, put that aside. So just stick these in there. Just unscrew it. If you guys do decide to buy this, there is a video by Scott Wilson on how to put this all together. Right. So all you have to do is put both Allen wrenches in, one on either side, to unscrew it, and then rotate one. It comes off if you rotate one. And that slides off. and you get a piece of foam. Here's half the case. Just take this and stick it in. Once you've done that, you can just screw these back in. And that's about it. Once you screw them in, here it is. The iWatch. Thanks.